In this video, I'm gonna show you how to position a kawaii face on your character for maximum cuteness. In the previous video, I showed you how to draw 12, well, actually 13 different cute faces. So now let's see how to actually use that for your character design. Welcome, I am Tatiana Denis. This channel is all about kawaii art, how to draw it, how to create cute products with your art, and how to monetize your creations. I also love to throw in my best tips and tricks for drawing digitally and drawing traditionally. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to get all the new videos I create. And I have a free kawaii drawing mini course which you can grab right here. Let's start by looking at the anatomy of a kawaii face. So of course, it's two eyes and a mouth, right? In kawaii, we don't draw a nose because it's meant to represent a small child. And the nose is so little and so cute, you don't even see it. So in kawaii, you will have your eye. And so you can just start by drawing a circle or an oval shape. And then you'll draw a matching one to go alongside it. Now, how do you actually keep them on the same line and aligned vertically, right? So here's the secret. Imagine that below the eye there is like a plank that goes along. So draw one eye, then mentally project the line. You can even trace it with the pen itself. So project the line, put your pen down and draw the other one. This way you can be sure that they're more or less on the same line and not wonky. And hey, a little bit of wonkiness is okay because you're drawing by hand and that's part of the charm. So you've got your two eyes. Now where to put the mouth? Let's look at the different positionings. In the traditional drawing, a cartoon drawing, you would do something like this. You would draw an eye and another eye, and way below it you would put a mouth. This is kind of like your classical cartoon drawing. But in kawaii, however, you would do an eye and you would put your mouth roughly on the same line. That line that we were tracing for aligning the eyes will actually be the baseline for the mouth as well. This is already looking way cuter. You can go even more extreme and you can put your face right in between the eyes. And this is a stylistic choice. So you have a few options there. So let's go back to our example face, and we'll put the mouth right here. This is my preferred way, using the baseline of the eye. So you can do a classical smile, or you can do this happy smile by drawing an arch and a deeper arch to meet it. And then you can also draw this slanted line, which kind of represents that your character is super happy and doing something like this. And finally, what you can do is grab some pink color and draw some cheeks. Now the cheeks will go roughly 45-degree angle from the eye, something like this, and keep them small and really, really cute. The cheeks can be oval, they can be round, they can even overlap with the eye to show that the character is doing something like this. So you have many options there. And now where to actually position the kawaii face on your character? Let's have a look at it. Let's say you have, I don't know, a cute apple. And you want to give it a face. So again, in traditional cartoon drawing, you would put it right here in the middle. But in kawaii, remember, it's all about being childlike. And children have really small chins, right? Think of a child, like bring up a picture of a child into your mind. They have these tiny little chins. So what we do for kawaii, we move the face way down. way lower than the middle line. And just by doing that, just by shifting the position, you already have a super cute character. And just to make it completely irresistible, we're gonna add some cheeks. So you can see that how you position the kawaii face and your character is everything. This is what makes kawaii kawaii. So in cartooning, you will put things right in the middle, but in kawaii, you want to move things way down. And here you have a few different options, and positioning will actually give you different looks and can evoke different emotions in the drawings that you create. Go ahead, give it a try. Try putting the face all the way at the top. Try putting it in the middle. Try putting it really down and see what you like. And if you want more ideas, check out my previous video where I showed 13 different kawaii faces. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and let me know in the comments what other drawing tutorials you would like to see here. And if you want to continue drawing kawaii with me right now, I have a free kawaii drawing mini course. You can download your copy using the link below this video. Thanks for drawing with me, and I will see you in the next video.